I am Elvira Villaro, the CTO of Avanzare Innovación Tecnológica, and we are the proud coordinator of REPOXYBLE project. Avanzare is the world package leader regarding the additives, and we are producing some high functionality additives for thermal conductivity, for embedded circuits, or for flame retardancy of the composites. REPOXYBLE means a new advance in the sustainable materials in the side of the thermoset composites, but also means the performance for high demanding sectors as automotive or aerospace. For Avanzare, it's really interesting, the participation in REPOXYBLE, because we are able to develop additives for epoxy systems which improve the functionalities. For example, the thermal dissipation, we are able to print the circuits in the components, and also we are creating additives for infrared assisted curing systems. One of the functionalities that we are developing, thanks to the assisted circuits that we are printing in the epoxy systems, is the antennas or the buttons, avoiding the wiring in some automotive or aerospace components. Other key functionality in REPOXYBLE developments is the integration of additives which takes the infrared light during the curing of the composites, reducing the time and the energy which we need to cure these composites. In the case of the cons, we have to remark the cost at the moment, but we expect that with more maturity and when we go to higher TRLs, we are going to solve because of the scale factor. And of course, as very interesting pros, it's the need of the sustainable materials while we meet the high requirements of these aerospace and automotive sectors. The key advantages of REPOXYBLE technology is the capacity of depolymerize the components, so we are able to recover the raw materials and use for the second life, being the raw materials, the components of the resin, the hardeners and the polymer, also the fibers, and also the additives that we are putting in the resin. So this means that for the composite producers, they can take these second life materials and use again for the composite production. REPOXYBLE let us gain the knowledge and select the materials which are demonstrate the best functionality. So at the moment and for the further exploitation, what we can do is sell these additives that we at Avanzare are producing, or collaborate with other partners, as for example Gurit, to make the dispersions in the resins and sell to the components producers. As an example of this interaction, we are collaborating to Oniric, which is developing the hardener, and with Gurit, which is developing the resin, and together with us, with Avanzare, we are putting our additives we have a final formulation to impregnate the fibers and produce the pre-preg materials for going to the composite market. The strength of REPOXYBLE project is that we have joined all the partners in the value chains, from the raw materials, the fibers, the additives, and the composites manufacturers, and also the industrials. So we have joined efforts to develop this functional use cases demonstrator for the automotive and aerospace sectors, which fulfill all the requirements while we meet the sustainability inputs.